Okay, what we're going to do is I'll give you a couple of minutes to work on this and have a break, and then we will watch the YouTube video and talk about spreadsheet style. Okay, so have a go at that. Sometimes yeah, I've got it. Takes a minute between turning it on and it working. Okay, in Excel there's a couple of things you need to know. Instead of times, you do a star. Okay, and if you have something like 3 to the power of 2, you do it as 3 little up arrow 2. So and you find the little up arrow, it's called a caret actually, not C-A-R-R-O-T, C-A-R-E-T, and it's on top of the 6. So you just do Shift 6 to get that little thing. The star is on top of the 8, and you usually have to put an equal sign in the front. So you can just actually copy and paste out of Blackboard, change your times or your X into a star, turn your little superscript into a little caret and then number, and that should work. Oh, and make sure you put brackets if you've got upper and lower bits, like you've got a divided by. Okay, now the other question was, I haven't had my Excel spreadsheet marked yet, can I still do the proctored quiz? Well, the answer is no, if when you get there it still hasn't been done, but at the moment, because we're not very busy, it may well be that Toivan, when we've got everyone going on the test, can actually mark it then, or it may well have been marked by the time you get there. So just go anyway if you submitted it a day ago, and hopefully it will have been marked by the time you get there. So, good questions. Right, let's go on with this one here. So sum of n is going to be here. So it's just x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4. Okay, and that's just a label. These have no value. They are just labels. They're subscripts. And so x1 is 10, x2 is 20, x3 is 5, and x4 is 0. So the answer is 35. Okay, and then we've got here... I forgot to go back through this one, sorry. Now here you've got x squared, so you square the first one, so 10 squared, 20... Hang on, I'll go back to the previous page, is what I'm talking about there. No, previous page. So there we've got 100 squared plus 200 squared plus 100 squared, and so on, right down to 110 squared, and then you add them up. And that's not the same as adding them up and squaring them. There is a difference. And so, when in doubt, do whatever you need to the x values, then add them up. It will give you the right answer. Doing it the other way around may not. And then this one here is going to be 30 plus 60 plus 15 plus 0 equals 105. So there are also some practice ones of those that you aren't even in the non-proctored quiz that you can do. They're called sigma notation.